I'm a leasing consultant at the Crib Apartments. Today I'm going to show you unit number 251. This is a B5 layout, it's 1,324 square feet. Follow me in here. First we have our kitchen. You have your movable island, beautiful quartz countertops and stainless steel appliances. You have gas stove, mounted microwave, garbage disposal in the sink. You have a dishwasher here and ice maker in the freezer. Back this way, you'll find your washer dryer and the pantry. Now this layout has a beautiful, nice, open kitchen living space. You have a full-size balcony off of your living room. Location of this unit gets tons of natural light. Now down this hallway, you'll find your coat closet first. And then the bedrooms. Now this floor plan is unique because it has back-to-back bedrooms. This is our only two-bedroom like this. You have your guest bedroom first. Nice size closet there. Slides to open on both ends. And then following down the hallway, you have a huge master bedroom. Now this bedroom size is like nothing I've ever seen. And another huge walk-in closet. To show you is the ensuite master bathroom. Master bathroom has the dual sinks, double vanity here with added cabinet space. And then of course the bathtub, shower, and toilet. And then your linen closet. And now this is the guest bathroom. Another well-lit vanity with the beautiful quartz countertops, bathtub, toilet. And then we have another linen